Teslas offer three main charging options: home charging for daily convenience, destination chargers at public locations, and the Supercharger network for fast charging during road trips. Home charging uses a wall connector plugged into your garage outlet, providing reliable overnight charging at lower costs than public options. Destination chargers are available at hotels, shopping centers, and restaurants, offering level 2 charging during extended stops, often free through partnerships. The Supercharger network provides DC fast charging up to 250 kilowatts, enabling long trips with minimal stops and covering over 70,000 locations globally. This extensive network spans North America, Europe, Asia, and beyond, with ongoing expansion to reduce range anxiety and support sustainable EV travel. Home charging is the most convenient way to keep your Tesla powered up every day. Tesla's wall connector is the standard for new installations, providing up to 48 amps, which is 11.5 kilowatts at 240 volts. This setup fully charges your Tesla overnight, typically adding 20 to 60 miles of range per hour depending on your electrical setup. Consider your home's electrical capacity to ensure faster charging speeds. Higher amperage breakers allow for quicker charging. Home charging is also cheaper due to off-peak electricity rates, making it the most economical option for daily use. Destination chargers provide a convenient way to charge your Tesla while you're away from home. These level 2 or fast chargers are located at public places like shopping centers, hotels, and airports, making them perfect for charging during extended stops. With over 15,000 locations worldwide, these chargers are often available for free or at low cost through partnerships with businesses. They're designed for parking-based charging, not quick top-ups, allowing you to charge while you shop, dine, or stay overnight. For example, many hotels offer destination charging, letting you plug in overnight and wake up to a fully charged vehicle. This eliminates range anxiety during travel and makes EV ownership more convenient. Outdoor parking lots at various venues also feature multiple destination chargers, allowing several vehicles to charge simultaneously. This supports community charging needs and promotes electric vehicle adoption. Destination chargers typically use level 2 technology, requiring proper electrical setup like 240-volt circuits. Tesla's wall connector or compatible chargers ensure safe and efficient charging at these public locations. While not as fast as superchargers, destination chargers provide steady charging, typically 20 to 60 miles of range per hour, making them ideal for your daily charging needs when on the go. Tesla's Supercharger network is a proprietary fast charging system designed specifically for Tesla vehicles, offering DC fast charging at speeds up to 250 kilowatts for V2 and V3 superchargers, or even 500 kilowatts for the newer Ultra superchargers. You can navigate to superchargers and handle payment through the Tesla app, which provides real-time availability and reservation options in some locations. Charging speed depends on several factors, including the battery's current state of charge, ambient temperature, and the specific Tesla model you're driving. For example, charging is typically fastest in the middle range of battery levels. Be aware that idle fees may apply if you leave your vehicle plugged in at a supercharger after the charging session completes, typically after about 5 minutes of inactivity. With over 70,000 superchargers worldwide, the network is strategically located along major highways, making long trips feasible with quick charging stops. Ultra superchargers, introduced in late 2024, represent Tesla's latest advancement in fast charging technology. These cutting-edge stations can deliver up to 500 kilowatts of power. This incredible power allows select Tesla models like the Model S Plaid or Cybertruck to charge from 10% to 80% battery in under 15 minutes. To visualize this capability, here's a graph showing charging power, energy delivery, and battery percentage over time during a typical Ultra Supercharge session. Ultra Superchargers feature a sleek, modern design with integrated lighting and multiple charging bays under a curved canopy. Comparing charging power curves shows how Ultra Superchargers significantly outperform previous generations, especially for high-performance models. The vehicle's touchscreen provides real-time charging data, including power curves and time estimates, making the experience transparent and informative. The rollout of ultra superchargers greatly enhances the speed and convenience of long-distance travel for Tesla owners, making electric road trips faster and more practical than ever. Tesla's supercharger network has expanded to over 70,000 stations worldwide by 2025, with a significant push into regions like Southeast Asia, Africa, and Europe. Tesla has partnered with major utilities to integrate superchargers with grid-responsive charging to reduce peak load demands and balance the electrical load on the grid. Tesla's charging costs vary significantly depending on the location and type of charger. At superchargers, costs average between $0.00 and 50 cents per kilowatt hours, while home charging is much more affordable at 10 cents to 20 cents per kilowatt hours. This graph shows supercharger costs across different countries, highlighting how pricing varies globally. Tesla dominates the fast charging market in the United States, operating 60% of all fast charging stations. The network maintains an impressive 99.9% reliability. This overview compares Tesla's network with other reliable charging providers, demonstrating Tesla's leadership in the market. Tesla is exploring vehicle-to-grid technology, allowing Teslas to feed power back to the grid and help stabilize energy systems. By 2025, Tesla has piloted V2G in California and Texas, where vehicles can discharge energy during peak hours. For sustainable charging, over 50% of new superchargers are powered by solar panels and battery storage, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Tesla aims for infinite range through seamless charging, potentially including wireless options that charge without plugging in. Tesla plans for 100,000-plus superchargers globally by 2030, expanding the network to support worldwide EV adoption.